Dar ce mănâncă? Și mănâncă unghii, îl mănâncă și mănâncă păduchii de pe unghii.
Nu, eu dau mâncare.
Serios?
Carne.
Aoleu, Doamne ferește!
Carne de om.
Chiar că mănâncă. Mănâncă, cred că-s ca... Astea-s ciori. Asta e vultur. Stai să vedem, asta e col crabe. Common. It's extended in many countries, like generalist tundra, whatever. Look, this one is still the food. The cracra. Go and kill him. Go and kill him, you man.
You know this one can eat a cheek.
What? Oh my god.
This one can eat a baby, like a baby,
Yeah.
little kid.
One is not hungry. Oh, yeah, is it? Everyone is happy. Another Schmutzgiker Egyptian waltzer. It's very ugly and she's staying there, or he's staying there. The bird is staying there anyway. And this little fucker still his food. Can you imagine? He has double portion for himself. And that one, I think maybe he's sick of this meat. He wants some fresh meat also.